Hello and welcome to the TaxTron desktop tutorial video series. In this video we will show you how to declare payments to your home buyer's plan. To report payments to your home buyer's plan on your tax return, first make sure you have created a new return and filled out all the necessary information. Then, navigate to the Form Manager and then search for the RSP Contributions form. Once you have selected and opened it up, you will first want to enter information regarding your RSP to calculate your deduction limit for the year. From there, scroll to the Calculating Your Obligation to HBP Plan section. Here we want to enter information regarding your home buyer's plan. Fill out the fields for year of withdrawal, amount of withdrawals, and previous annual repayments. TaxTron will automatically calculate the amount of HBP to be repaid in 2022, and the amount contributed to your RSP to be applied to HBP repayment for you. Now, when you access Schedule 7 and navigate to Part B, you will observe that a sum of $1,333.33 is allocated as repayment towards our home buyer's plan, resulting in an RSP contribution deduction of $8,666.67 out of the $10,000 we contributed to our RSP in the current year. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.